prevention is the best strategy para sa crime prevention at to avert any situation that would be critical sa safety and security ng ating mga malls.
Good morning. As the City Director of the Olongapo City Police Office, it is an honor to address all of you, the dedicated security personnel of SM Malls. The partnership between the Olongapo City Police Office and the SM Malls is of utmost importance in achieving our shared goal of a safer community. Shared goal. Hindi po yung pulis lamang, kundi kasama ang bawat isa. I would like to take this opportunity to emphasize the significance of effective communication and coordination amongst all security personnel. We must work hand in hand, sharing information and best practices to counter any potential threats that may arise. Your commitment to remaining up to date with the latest security protocols and procedures is crucial in ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone within our jurisdiction. Because we believe that in everything na ginagawa natin, pagka ikaw ay may hinihingi na direksyon o mayroon kang kumpas na gusto mangyari, makakamit mo yon. So all of us here, the security guards, the janitorial services, at lahat tayo dito ay may pakialam. Together, we can build a secure environment that cultivates confidence in our city's residents and visitors. Yung mga napupulot, naiiwan ng napakaganda yon. Nakita natin na very honest yung mga personnel employed here at SM. Kasi unang-una, yung management mismo, ino-observe nila yon. So let us continue that. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude for your dedication, commitment, and hard work in safeguarding our community.
Let us contribute positively sa araw-araw na ginagawa natin. Hindi lang yung ating mga uniform personnel, kundi lahat tayo sa ating mga ibang frontliners, lalo na ang janitorial, ang maintenance natin. Hindi lahat na parte ng malls ay nandyan yung ating mga guards. Kayo ang bubuo ng mga hindi natin maabot paminsan, no?
Olongapo City Security hinges on our collective efforts and with the continued partnership between the Olongapo City Police Office and SM malls. I am confident that we will be able to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Let us stand united in our mission to ensure the safety and well-being of all. Thank you very much, sir, and we may all remain vigilant in our shared pursuit of a secure and thriving of Olongapo City.